Airfree Pods truly wireless earbuds have a lightweight design with 13mm composite titanium dynamic drivers inside, and it is powered by a Qualcomm chip that enables support for aptX and AC Bluetooth codecs. It features 4 inbuilt ENC environmental noise cancellation (ENC) microphones, along with Qualcomm CVC 8.0 noise cancelling technology for clearer calls. Omthing claims that their Airfree Pods will last a total of 20 hours with the included charging case, which can charge either via USB-C or a Qi wireless charger. Airfree TWS have a lightweight, 4 grams, oblique-angled earbud design with 7mm dynamic drivers inside. They are X4 rated, and it also comes with a total of 4 environmental noise cancellation (ENC) microphones. Controls are touch-based, and they connect via Bluetooth 5.0 for a strong, stable connection. For battery life, they are rated at a total of 20 hours with the included charging case. Airfree Lace Neckband is a wireless Bluetooth 5.0 headset with 10mm dynamic drivers inside a solid metallic chamber for crisp trebles and deep bass. The headset is X4 rated, and it has on-board controls for music control, volume control and call control. It comes with a 160 mAh battery inside that will deliver up to 12 hours of music playback on a single charge. Airfree Pods, Airfree TWS and Airfree Lace Neckband are priced at Rs. 3,999, Rs. 2,499 and Rs. 1,499 respectively, and they are all sold exclusively on Flipkart. Guys, I hope you liked my video. If you really liked this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and share the video. Thank you.